5 bright and engaging visuals of graphic design tools. Are you a freelance graphic designer looking to elevate your work? Today, we're sharing the 5 essential graphic design tools every freelancer should have in their arsenal. Let's dive in. First up, Adobe Photoshop. It's the industry standard software for image editing and manipulation. Next, we have Adobe Illustrator. This powerful vector graphics editor is perfect for creating logos, illustrations, and scalable designs. Don't forget a trusty sketchbook and drawing tablet. They allow you to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life. The Pantone Color Guide is an essential tool for accurate color selection and matching. It ensures consistency across your designs. Lastly, a Wacom tablet and stylus provide precision and control, allowing you to create detailed and professional artwork. There you have it, the 5 essential graphic design tools for freelancers. Elevate your work, unleash your creativity, and achieve design greatness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and inspiration. And remember, the right tools can make all the difference in your freelance graphic design journey.